Mutitu wa Mau ni umwe wa mititu iria minene guku bururi-ini na ukoragwo wihoketwo ta kihumo kia njui. No kwa ihinda muingi ukiambiriria kuingira mutitu-ini uyu uria ni wa makiria ma eka 11,000 na kwigwatira migunda kuo magiaka na makiambiriria kurima, undu uria wathukiria riri wa mutitu uyu. Kuma mwaka-ini wa 2018 thirikari ni yambiriirie mihang'o ya kuhamurithia family 10,000 aria maakite mutitu-ini uyu, na kuona kwari na uregani munene maabithaa ugitiri magitoro mwena uyu niguo gutigira mubango uyu ni wakinyanira niguo gucokia riri wa mutitu uyu. Miaka 3 thutha-ini mubango uyu ugikinyanira na aria othe maikaraga mutitu-ini uyu makiuma na maabithaa ugitiri makiuma kuo aria matigirwo ni maabithaa ruhonge rwa utungata wa mititu Kenya Forest Service, na nio makoretwo makirangira mutitu uyu na riri wa Mau ni ucokereirie. Ari muthenya wa gukungwira maabithaa mititu tucerete mutitu-ini uyu wa Masai Mau kambeini ya Koben na Rock ya muhuro tutindanie nao kuona uria makoretwo makirangira mutitu uyu. Kiroko gia tene turacemania na Sergeant Bernard Nkeiwa uria niwe urugamire kambino ya maabithaa 20 uria araire akirangira mutitu uyu riria runake mauma toro. Nkeiwa akoretwo wira-ini uyu kwa ihinda ria miaka 17 na riu arokiria arunake niguo mathie na mbere kugitira utonga uyu. Kuringana na Nkeiwa mambagiriria muthenya wao thaa 11 cia rucini na mahoya, na thutha ucio akaheana mwerekera wa uria wira ukurutwo, nake abithaa ungi akaheana irio. Thabarĩ ya kũrangira mutitu uyu ndĩkoretwo ĩrĩ hũthũ, amu no nginya matuĩkanie ng'ongo, mĩikũrũko na mĩambato ya mutitu uyu kuria macemanagia na mĩhĩnga mĩingĩ ta gũtharĩkĩrwo nĩ mĩitũ ĩrĩa yũkaga gũtemanga mĩtĩ thaĩte na mĩcinga.
Suspect is so violent, maybe is advancing to one of an officer or a ranger with a panga or an axe. We give him humble warning. I just aim exactly on the arm that is holding that axe or a weapon that this guy is using. Then after maiming, then that person will fall down and then probably we will arrest.
Amwe ao manoragirwo mutitu-ini uyu mari wira-ini wao na angi magatigwo na nguraro.
It's just a day to be able to just pay tribute to the rangers that we have lost unfortunately through the line of duty, which is a very sad scenario, but also the good work the rangers continue to do even under difficult and challenging circumstances.
Nkeiwa aratutariria ati makiingira mutitu-ini uyu miaka 3 mihituku, muingi uria urigicĩirie mutitu uyu wa moya gatari thu, na uria mahinda marathie ndugu ikiambiriria kuria maabithaa matabanagia mĩcemanio ya guthomithia muingi hari kugitira mititu na kunyitanira uhandi-ini wa miti.
Naipenda upande wa conserve environment. Naona vile tumeconserve hapa, tuko na hali nzuri ya hewa, maji hapo wananchi wanaweza kutumikiwa na kutumia, na vile vile hata kwa Mungu nafikiri napo conserve environment namna hii, hata kwa Mungu vile vile tunakuwa blessed.
Naona thegia mathina maria makoretwo kuo, Nkeiwa arauga ni endete wira uyu na ndangĩrira guikaraga mutitu-ini.
The best job in the world, that's to protect God's creation, is something wonderful.
Furahia sana kutambulika kwamba we are also doing something toward conservation in this country. Tumesikia kwamba there are some other agencies that including the Queen's Canopy ambayo imetambua Mau kama ni area moja ya conservation.
Henry Beto no abithaa wa urangĩri mutitu-ini uyu na aratwĩra ati kaingĩ mamukagira ndũmĩrĩri kuma kũrĩ mũingĩ wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ, na ũguo makoretwo makirangira mutitu uyu hamwe.
Information from the community because they are willing now to protect this forest. So we are working jointly with them to make sure that this water tower is well protected.
Sana vita ilikuwa mbaya, hata mahali ya kupeleka vitu hakuna, barabara ilikuwa mbaya sana. Sasa hii maafisa ya serikali alikuwa anatusaidia kwa hii magari yao juu hatuna mahali nyingine tutaweza ingilia, akatusaidia kabisa kwa njia yote. Hata wizi ilikuwa imejaa msituni, lakini hawa maafisa vile aliingia akatusaidia na akatujali sisi. Sisi tuko na usalama ya kutosha.
Na niguo gucokia riri wa mutitu uyu, ruhonge rwa utungata wa mititu Kenya Forest Service mandikire wira andu aria mahamurithire mutitu-ini uyu niguo gucokereria miti kuria yathukangitio.
He created nature on the third day of creation and later created a human being on the last day, meaning God himself gave a lot of emphasis, a lot of weight on nature.
Hindi ya mihang'o ya kuhamurithia family iria ciakite mutitu-ini uyu, ateti kuma gicigo-ini giki ni macokagira makira family ici itikaume, riu makiurio kwaga kuingiria uteti mihang'o-ini ino ya gucokia riri wa mutitu uyu.
What is happening is sometimes we have to supervise and go on in terms of reclamation, which really touches on people's emotion who have actually encroached on our forest resources. Today, that's why we have actually as KFS we are celebrating and marking this day just to say thank you to them for the good work they have done, for the sacrifices they continue to make.
Umithio wa mutitu wa mau ni wonekanite kuria riu gicigo giki kiramukira mbura na maabithaa ya no merahire wira mwega marutite.